Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to record video call on WhatsApp with voice. Open Google Play Store, then search screen recorder. Click this app, then install. Open it. Click continue. Click allow. Then enable X recorder option. Click back. Click next. Click OK. Then allow all permission. Click settings icon. Click audio settings. Then select microphone. Click while using the app. Click back. Then click video settings. Select resolution. Then minimize this app. Open WhatsApp. Turn on the record option while making a call. Now everything you talk to in the video call will be recorded. You can turn on the record option when you have finished talking. If you want, your recorded video can be opened from here or from the file manager. Thanks for watching.